Good YouTube and friends, you're here chilling with the real Satoshi Aoki on the channel where we bring you the no BS cryptocurrency content every single week. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking to you about none other than Swipe Swap, the decentralized money market operating on Swipe. As you know, there is a massive DeFi buzz going on at the moment and without good reason. Fees on Ethereum are extremely expensive and Binance Smart Chain, in my opinion, is taking the DeFi world by storm, offering fast rates and low fees when exchanging money. To give you an example of a problem that it currently does fix, if I'm to go onto Uniswap and I'm to swap some coins around on there on the ERC20 blockchain, it can be expensive. I literally did it the other day. I spent about $20 on Ethereum gas fees. It's just too much to just do a simple swap between tokens. You can avoid this using Binance Smart Chain. But the good thing is you've got access to a lot of tokens because you can use ERC20 as well as Binance Smart Chain by very easily toggling between the two with Swipe Swap. Now, if you're someone that enjoys this video today and you think that you may want to potentially use Swipe Swap to swap tokens or provide some liquidity and get some awesome interest back by providing that liquidity and earning some payouts from fees for the year, then you need to get yourself a MetaMask wallet. There are, of course, some other wallets that you can use, but I personally do recommend MetaMask. Not because there's an affiliate link in the description or anything, which it isn't, but just because MetaMask is what I've always used and it's always been my go-to and it's always worked fine. So I'll leave a link for MetaMask in the description of this video so you can get signed up easily. And once you've got MetaMask installed, you'll also need to just take a moment to get Binance Smart Chain onto your MetaMask wallet. It's super easy to do, don't overcomplicate it. The whole process will probably take you about 3 to 4 minutes. I will leave a link right here, so you can click on that one there and that will tell you about how to connect Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. Then once you've got that, okay, you've got your MetaMask, you've got your Binance Smart Chain set up, you can then, or you are then ready to connect your MetaMask wallet to Swipe Swap. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through Swipe Swap. I'm going to be connecting my wallet up for the first time and we're going to be having a look at the features that are available on this new Swipe Swap money market, okay? I've already had a bit of a squiz at it already and there are some attractive interest rates for providing some liquidity, particularly with SXP and Ethereum pair, that I would like to personally have a look at and that I will probably be engaging with in a future video. So if you want to know all about that and you want to engage with this tutorial today, then please make sure you do watch all the way to the end. And also please just do remember, I am not a financial advisor. These videos are never financial advice. You got to always do your own research before investing in these ideas. Let's get into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are on swap.swipe.org in the index section, the decentralized trading protocol. So we're just going to have a bit of a look at this home page here, run you through a quick intro description, and then we're going to get into actually using the dApp itself. Okay, so as we scroll down here, we can see the current updated price of SXP today. It's $3.02 with all-time volume, all-time fees, and the total liquidity. Okay, so this is talking a little bit about what the protocol actually is here. Okay, on Swipe Swap. So it's an automated market maker built on Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. Swipe network users can make trades on either blockchain by switching a simple toggle in the dApp. Trades are all processed on chain and are fully decentralized with Swipe. Okay, so big step towards more decentralization from Swipe on this dApp. I'm loving that. All right, so and this is another bit that I do want to talk to you about as well. It's the governance. Okay, SXP holders can vote on the protocol's improvement and changes. SXP holders can vote on the protocol's improvement changes through Swipe community governance directly on chain. SXP is Swipe network's only governance token. All right, and there's some more information here if you want to connect with them through Twitter, Telegram, and Facebook, which I do highly recommend you do. So up the top here as well, if you can see, I tend to always prefer just to have night mode toggled on, but just for the purpose of this video, I will leave the daytime mode toggled on. Alright, so let's go on and start using Swipe Swap for the first time. So we're going to go up the top right here, we're going to click Use Swipe and see what happens. Okay, so I'm given an option here to connect my wallet. So as I did say at the start of the video, make sure you get MetaMask, make sure you do attach Binance Smart Chain. Don't be one of these people that is just too lazy to do it. It's easy and secure, okay? It's easy and secure. Just get it done. The information's in the link in the description, okay? So we're going to connect the wallet here. So as you can see, got two options here. It's giving us MetaMask and Wallet Connect. I do recommend MetaMask, as I did say. I'm going to click MetaMask there, and then my MetaMask is going to load up. I'm going to connect it with account 1 here, okay? I'm going to press next. Okay, I'm gonna connect, and that is all connected up and ready to go. So as you can see, I literally connected it up easily, straight away. And as you can see, my balance shows right up here on Swipe Swap. My BNB balance is 0.98 BNB, okay? So we are currently in the actual swap section on Binance Smart Chain. So remember, we were talking about the toggle from before, okay? Here we can toggle between Ethereum and Binance, okay? Okay, so we've got the two options there. You do have to have the two wallets connected, okay? So again, just a quick reminder, look, if I'm doing any swaps, ideally I want to be doing them on Binance Smart Chain just because the fees are much cheaper. But if you are someone that needs to use your ERC20 Ethereum, you've got the option to do that on here as well. All right, folks, so let's just have a bit of a look through the features here, okay? So we've got some really nice features here, okay? So we've got slippage tolerance, okay? So let's just have a read through that. Your transaction will revert if the price changes unfavorably by more than this percentage, okay? So, you know, whilst you're doing the trade or in the process of doing the trade, if the price does change 0.5% in this case, or more than 0.5% in the negative direction, that trade will not be executed, okay? And you can actually change that tolerance to even smaller. You can change it to 0.1, and you can also put it on 1% there. So that little slippage tolerance feature is a really, really nice one there. We've also got something here where we can set a transaction deadline, which I think is actually a really cool little feature, which I actually have not seen before, but actually makes a lot of sense. Your transaction will revert if it is pending for more than this time, okay? So you can set 10 minutes, for example, okay? If you want your transaction done in that time, it will revert if it is not executed. Alrighty, folks, so we're just gonna have a bit of a look at the swap section here. I'm not gonna actually do a swap right now for you, but let's just say, for example, we had BNB and DAI, okay? So I've gone into the BNB section. I'm just gonna click my 0.98 BNB there, and I've selected DAI, okay, from here. All right, so scrolling down. All right, Binance Peg DAI here. All right, happy with that. It's gonna give me 238.988 DAI, okay? And we can hit the swap button there if we like. The price of DAI per BNB, we get the minimum received DAI here. The price impact is 0.05%, and the liquidity provider fee is 0.0029 BNB, okay? So that fee will be going to the liquidity providers there. So I love the fact that they're making that nice and transparent there in the swap section. And of course, we can choose, okay, any of these options down here for currencies to trade against with BNB. But just remember, guys, BNB on the Binance Smart Chain, you are using as gas fee, so always make sure that you do have enough BNB token, I guess, in that MetaMask wallet on Binance Smart Chain, because it's really annoying when you don't have enough and you want to do a transaction, you do run out. So hot tip there, just make sure you do have a little bit more BNB or gas token, you know, gas fee token that you need, BNB on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum as Gwei on the ERC20. All right, folks, so now we are on the liquidity provider awards section here. So we'll have a bit of a skim through here of what it says, okay? So liquidity providers earn a 0.3% fee on all trades proportional to their share of the pool, okay? So really important you see what your share of the pool is. Fees added to the pool accrue in real time and can be claimed by withdrawing your liquidity, okay? So I'm not gonna be setting one of these up today, okay? But I will go and press the add liquidity button. We'll just have a bit of a look, okay? Let me know if you would like to see me set up some liquidity within the Swipe Swap. All right, so just a little tip here as well, folks. When you add liquidity, you'll receive your pool tokens representing your position. These tokens automatically earn fees proportional to your share of the pool and can be redeemed at any time. So they will be your LP tokens, okay? So your liquidity pool tokens, okay? So that's pretty cool. We've got the slippage tolerance here, the transaction deadline, same as before that we had in the swipe section here, all right? And again, you can select your two tokens. So if we just do an example here, I'm just gonna do DAI, or maybe we'll do Binance USD just to make it simple, okay? So we'll give you your price, your pool share, all the information you need there. You can approve there if you're happy with your position here. All right, so all the information is readily made available there. Okay, folks, so these are the current farms, okay? So we're in the farm section here. So as you can see right up the top, okay, we've got a nice APY of 147.91%, which is very attractive, and that is for the swipe to Binance USD pair there if you want to set that up in the farm. And you can simply go to your add liquidity there, and you've got the approved, it is approved for staking there as well. And this is what I've currently earned, which is 0 SXP for the moment, okay? But this is, guys, this is definitely something that I'm going to be getting involved with these APY rates here. Now, do bear in mind though, these rates can be very volatile and they can fluctuate, okay? So that could be lower or higher depending on how many people are actually getting involved with that particular farming pair there, if you like, okay? So again, we can scroll down, we've got the list, we've got swipe to wrap BNB, we've got swipe to BCB token here as well, we've got some Tether pairs there, some Venus ones here, some Vi stablecoin, Polkadot, all right, you can see there, and the list sort of goes on there. You've also got the yield per $1,000 here, which is some nice information to have here. You've got your liquidity there, that is provided overall, okay, the staked amount that you have in there. Alrighty folks, so we are over on the SXP token area here, okay, so this is just a little bit about SXP, okay, I'm not going to go on too much about this here, but you've got some information here about what SXP is, okay, so Swipe Network enables a cross-chain automated market maker protocol on Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, okay, you got a couple of contract addresses there, and you got the SXP utility features here. We've got the governance, the payments, and the network fees, and the markets, okay, where you can actually get amongst SXP. I do recommend Binance. There'll be a link for that one in the description of this video as well. Okay folks, so the last bit I want to show you is the swipe swap analytics, okay? So we've got the top tokens here, okay, in terms of their liquidity, okay, 24-hour volume, the price here, okay, you got the 24 hours there, which I just did, the 7 days, you got the chart here as well. If we scroll down, all right, we've got the top pairs, okay, at the moment, SXP to USDT, all right, the fees being earned on the year are 1.95%, okay? The SXP to ETH one looks pretty attractive with 8.13%, okay, all right, then we got some more if we want to scroll down the list here and have a look, all right, and then we got some top pools as well, guys, all right, so all the information is readily available here too, okay, so if we do keep scrolling up, you can find your recently added pools here as well, okay, you can scroll through the rows and have a look at the rest of the rewards here. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so what did you think of Swipe Swap? What questions do you have? Do you think it is a protocol that you might be getting amongst yourself? Let me know in the comments section below if you have any questions at all about Swipe Swap. And if you did enjoy the content today, please do consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel if you think that I might just be alright, and consider turning those notification bells on as well, okay? Swipe is an official partner of the Satoshi Aoki YouTube channel, and I'm very proud to be making content for them. So from wherever you are watching from in the world, I really do hope you have a most profitable day in the cryptocurrency space, and I shall see you in the next video. Cheers.